ang impeachment trial, tingnan natin, ano bang penalty ng impeachment?
Sige.
Kasi, pag criminal case kasi, kulong. Pag civil case, magbayad ka. Yan. So, ano yung penalty ng impeachment? Ang penalty ng impeachment, tanggal ka sa pwesto mo at you will be disqualified to hold any other government positions.
But you will not be automatically put into prison.
Walang kulong. Walang kulong.
Walang kulong.
Kasi ang impeachment is not a criminal case.
It's a political process.
So, it's a political process, it's a political circus, but hindi siya matatawag na criminal case, hindi rin siya matatawag na civil case.
Kaya pala sabi ni Senator Joker, late Senator Joker, it's a quasi-civil, but at the same time, more of a political procedure.
Parang ganun. Quasi-civil. So, pinakamalapit na kapareho niya, yung tinatawag na administrative case.
Ayun.
So, ang kailangan na ebidensya, so hindi siya civil case, hindi siya criminal case, but hindi din siya administrative case. But ang pinakamalapit na kaparehan niya is yung tinatawag na substantial evidence.
Substantial evidence.
So, requirement yan na ebidensya sa mga administrative cases.
So, lower degree yun. From proof beyond reasonable doubt.
Parang pangalawa siya sa criminal case. Parang ganun. Mas mababa konti. Yun yan.